Hey everybody, my name is Fred and I am the owner of this website and this landscape design company. I've been designing landscapes for over 40 years, and this is what we've come up with to assist homeowners. So our plans are customizable. So if you find a plan that works for you or that you really like and you want to have that, but let's just say that your house is different. Let's just say that's your house there. We can customize this and make this work for you for a nominal fee. So let's just say, for example, we're going to move this house out of the way and we're going to put this house in place. We will customize this plan for you for a nominal fee, which is runs anywhere from $250 up to $1,000, depending on the size of the house and the scope of the landscape. This is a huge savings for homeowners because normally if you hire a landscape designer to do a custom design for your property, you're looking at anywhere from $2,500 up to $5,000 for a landscape design. Now if you find something on our website that you like, send us the information, send us your house, send us the height of where the sill is to the ground, and we will modify it so that it can work for your property. We cover all the bases. We have designs for pretty much every situation coming up. We're adding designs each and every week. As far as designs go, we have patios, we do shade areas, privacy issues, doing slopes, different styles for front yards, you name it. We're going to continually add to our database, and we want to make this simple for the homeowner. You started in the right direction with a nominal fee. Any questions, feel free to send us an email, or if you want to jump on a Zoom call, we offer that as well, or we can do a chat through our website. Again, it's Fred from Landscaping Advisors. We hope that we can help fulfill your dreams.